reception. It's Poetry Friday today, and I thought I'd keep our theme of superheroes going. So I found a poem all about superheroes. It's called If I Was a Superhero by Sally Gray. If I was a superhero, I'd definitely fly. Arms outstretched, racing birds in the sky. If I was a superhero, I'd have special powers, like extra strong legs for jumping over towers. If I was a superhero, I'd save all the oceans with my secret and magical cleaning up potions. If I was a superhero, I'd save all the trees and the mountains and the rivers, birds and the bees. If I was a superhero, I'd help all the poor, give them food and make them hungry no more. If I was a superhero, I'm sure you'd agree, the world would be better because of me. It's a nice poem, that, isn't it? I wonder if you could spot some of our rhyming words in this poem. I'm going to read it again, and with my orange pen, I'm going to see if we can underline the two rhyming words in each part. So let's have a look at the first bit. It says, if I was a superhero, I'd definitely fly. Arms outstretched, racing birds in the sky. Can you spot which two words rhyme there? Fly and sky. That's right. Let's put a line underneath there. Fly and sky. Well spotted. So both the words were at the end of the sentence, weren't they? The end of the line. If I was a superhero, I'd have special powers, like extra strong legs for jumping over towers. Ooh, there's two there. Powers and towers. That's right. Powers rhymes with towers. They both sound the same. If I was a superhero, I'd save all the oceans with my secret and magical cleaning up potions. Can you see which two words rhyme there? Oceans and potions. That's right. They sound the same, oceans and potions. Can you see what's happening here, reception? All the words that rhyme come at the end of the line. Let's do the next one. If I was a superhero, I'd save all the trees and the mountains and rivers, birds and bees. Can you see which word rhymes with trees? Trees. I'll give you a clue. It's the same as the others down the side. Trees and bzzz. Bees. Well done. Trees and bees, they both sound the same. Let's see, there's two more rhyming pairs. If I was a superhero, I'd help all the poor, give them food and make them hungry no more. Poor and more. It's kind of a half rhyme really, isn't it? Because it's not poor and more, it's poor and more. So it's slightly different, that one. Let's see. If I was a superhero, I'm sure you'll agree, the world would be better because of me. Did you join in with that word then? Let's put a line under these two. Agree and me. Very good. Now we've spotted all the rhyming pairs in our poem. We're going to see if we can put some actions to this poem because it's quite a moving one, this one. So let's have a look and see what we can do. So when we say, if I was a superhero, we're going to show us our muscles like this. Can you show me your muscles? Wow, oh my goodness, we've got some strong children in reception. So if I was a superhero, I'd definitely fly. Can we do this? Arms outstretched, big flying wings. Arms outstretched, racing birds in the sky. Like this. You can go even faster if you want. Let's have a look. If I was a superhero, there's our muscles again, I'd have special powers. What should we do for special powers? Should we rub our hands together? Special powers. I wonder what they could be. Like extra strong legs. Can you point to your legs? For jumping over towers. We've got to do a big jump. Ready? Go! Very good. I bet you all could jump higher than me. If I was a superhero, there's our muscles again, I'd save all the oceans. Can you do this for the sea? That's right. With my secret and magical cleaning up potions. So we're going to see if we can get our cloths and pretend to clean up all the mess in the oceans. If I was a superhero, you remembered that bit, well done. I'd save all the trees. And we stand tall like a tree. That's it. And the mountains, like this. And the rivers. And the birds, big wings for the birds. And the bees, they only have small wings, so bring your hands in for that one. So we do birds and bees. Did you get that one? Brilliant. Let's try the next one. If I was a superhero, I'd help all the poor. So can we show them all? That's right. Do this. This is for the poor. Give them food and make them hungry no more. So rub your tummy, and then for no more, we're going to do that with our finger. If I was a superhero, I'm sure you'd agree, so you point at me. The world, big world, will be better because of me. You can point to yourselves there. Perfect. Should we go through it and see if we can remember some of those actions together? And then you might be able to perform this to your mums and dads and brothers and sisters. Here we go. If I was a superhero, I'd definitely fly. Arms outstretched, racing birds in the sky. If I was a superhero, I'd have special powers. Like extra strong legs for jumping over towers. If I was a superhero, I'd save all the oceans with my secret and magical cleaning up potions. If I was a superhero, I'd save all the trees and the mountains and the rivers and the birds and the bees. If I was a superhero, I'd help all the poor, give them some food and make them hungry no more. If I was a superhero, I'm sure you'll agree, the world would be better because of me. Very good. Well done, reception. Give yourselves a big pat on the back. That was super duper. Now, I want you to have a think of the things you've been doing this week that make you a superhero Now, I've seen some of you in your costumes this week on Wednesday. I wonder how many people were wearing theirs at home. Think of all the kind things you've done this week for your family and your friends. Happy Friday, everybody, and I will see you all on Monday. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.